guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be part one of my pre-holiday deep cleaning series. I'm going to be hosting the series leading up to Thanksgiving to go ahead and get you guys motivated to deep clean your home and prepare for the upcoming holidays. I know the holidays leads to lots of chaos, and whether it's family coming over, Christmas and all of that, so it's good to just get your home nice and thoroughly cleaned. We're gonna start off today in the kitchen. I'm going to be deep cleaning the oven and the stove, wiping down all of my cabinets, cleaning out my pantry, getting all of the organized, all of the expired, and organizing everything. I will not be deep cleaning my refrigerator in this video. That will be in my part two, and then I'm also going to tackle the walls, baseboards, and some other nitty-gritty areas of my kitchen. So if you guys are looking for lots of motivation, definitely watch this video all the way through and stay tuned for the rest of this series. I'm really excited to jump in and share this with you guys. I know deep cleaning is something that we all dread, so if I can do it, being as crazy and busy as I always am, you definitely can too. And I hope this video inspires and uplifts you and gets you motivated to just get it all done. If you guys are new and tuning in for the first time, make sure you smash that red subscribe button down below. It's free. I'm fun. I like to uplift and inspire you guys, so hopefully this video does just that and you decide to stick around. We're gonna dive right in. Let's go.
Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast.
Before we get into the nitty-gritty deep cleaning, we're gonna get all of these dishes done. Yes, I don't have a dishwasher, and it's actually okay. Back in the summer, we went on a little family trip and we went to a resort, and the cabin, lodge, or room that we had, it actually had a dishwasher, and that was the first time I ever used one, and I gotta say I wasn't impressed. So when we buy a house, that's really not my top concern, is a dishwasher. Yes, doing dishes. I used to actually hate dishes. I still kind of hate dishes, but I know at one point, you know, my kids are gonna get older, the messes are gonna get smaller, and I probably will miss it one day. So right now I just, you know, I embrace what I have in life currently, and I don't have a dishwasher, so I just deal with it. I went 28 years of my life perfectly fine without a dishwasher, so it's not gonna kill me if I have to do my dishes.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. And though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you.
The dishes are all done and put away, so now we're gonna dive right into the deep cleaning. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove all of my drip pans and the burners and get all of that area nice and scrubbed down. Now these drip pans, I've mentioned in the past, a lot of times once they just start to get too bad, I just replace them and buy new ones. They're actually, you know, not that expensive, but I try to just clean them and use them for as long as I can before I do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub them out. As you can see, it's probably starting to get to that point where I'm gonna probably replace them the next time I clean this area. But for now, it'll work.
Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go?
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be?
Now this oven actually wasn't too bad. A lot of it's just, you know, like food that's fallen off from like pizzas and stuff like that. So around this time, about a week before Thanksgiving, I try to always thoroughly clean my oven out, especially if I'm going to be hosting Thanksgiving, so that way I don't have, you know, the smell of burning food because there's going to be a lot of cooking. Now I'm just going to use this super clean stuff. Now when I use this, you guys, I don't have my kids around because it is a stronger product. You can do totally natural by using baking soda and vinegar, which is another way I do it, but this stuff literally will have you be able to just wipe it right off. Baking soda and vinegar does the same thing. So if you aren't comfortable using stronger products, I would definitely go the baking soda and vinegar route.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her.
I feel like this is an area people totally forget to clean around. I don't know how to move this oven out, so I'm sure I'll probably get comments like, why aren't you lifting the oven up? Why aren't you pulling it out? As you guys can tell, this is a very old oven. It's literally from like the 70s. We don't own this house, so if I get into the comments, we'll buy a new oven. We're not going to. This is what was provided. It works just fine. We don't have to be all bougie here. But I like to clean around this area because I will admit, it's an area that you don't think about every day. You know, you're sweeping, you're mopping, and all of that gunk is just building up all along the cabinets.
Now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads and never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
Now here I'm just going to go ahead and clean out all of the baskets and go through and check for expired products. I know the pantry is an area that we can kind of buy stuff and we kind of just get lost in all of the mess of what goes on in there because it's organized, but then it starts to get just left behind, you know, because there's just so much. So I like to clean this out every so often, go through, get rid of expired products, clean out the baskets, and then get everything nice and organized just so my kids can go in right after and unorganize it all again.
All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good. Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one I've ever seen. All night, all wild, howling at the moon. You've got me in a place unknown, free falling and I'm letting go. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. So you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you
Now for my floors, to disinfect them, I'm going to use bleach and then a little bit of some blue Fabuloso. I know a lot of people that don't like bleach, but bleach is one thing I'll never get rid of in my house because of certain things like this, especially when I clean my walls. I love to use bleach to just, go ahead and sanitize, because especially from the kids touching the walls. And then this floor, this is a high traffic area of the house, the doors right here where we come in from the garage and all of that. So I like to do this every so often. I just like to thoroughly scrub away all of the dirt and germs with the bleach.
Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by.
And this sums up part 1 of my pre-holiday deep cleaning series. I hope this motivated you guys to get up and get cleaning for the upcoming holidays. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Also say hi if you are tuning in for the first time. I would love to chat with you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
For the best ride.